Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet solid granny square with no gaps and how to make it as big as we want. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Needle I am using is 3.5 mm. A crochet hook is of 3.5 mm. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, after 3 chain crochet stitches, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here I make my slip stitch and we join first and the last stitch with a slip stitch. Just grab the yarn and pull through from both loops and then make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now due to that we get a small ring. It is small but it is good enough for a needle to pass through. Okay, now we will make stitches each time passing a needle from that ring. I'll show you how. Now see, we will yarn over, insert a needle in that ring. See, in that small ring inside it we will insert it. Grab the yarn and pull through. Then we make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, I will show you in each stitch how to do it. But in similar fashion, now we are going to make a set of 3 half double crochet stitches followed by a double crochet stitch, and each time we are going to do same. Yarn over, insert a needle inside that ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, so here we have completed 3 half double crochet stitches. After 3 half double crochet stitches, in same way we will make a double crochet stitch. Now this is a double crochet stitch. Okay, there we go. So this is our first set. We are going to make 3 more set. So in total we are making 4 sets of 3 half double crochet stitches followed by a double crochet stitch. 3 half double crochet stitches followed by a double crochet stitch, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle inside that ring and grab the yarn, pull through, then make a half double crochet stitch. Similar way, a double crochet stitch. So this is our first foundation round. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. And just if you see as you are watching it, I'm showing you quite slowly how to take each stitch each time. Okay, I'll just complete this foundation round and I'll show you. Just make sure whenever you make a double crochet stitch, please place a marker on that double crochet stitch. Please don't forget, it's very important. Please place a marker in every double crochet stitch. Okay, see, please place marker in all double crochet stitches you make. Okay, now here we are done with the first foundation round. Now I join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, we are joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we go. Okay, now as I told you, please place marker on every double crochet stitch we make. Now in next round, second round, wherever we have made double crochet stitches, on each double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, in each double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches, and rest all stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, see, we are starting now. Here we have all our half double crochet stitches, so in each half double crochet stitch we will make 1 half double crochet stitch, and we are making the stitches, all stitches here, after all stitches we are making in back loop of every stitch. Just remember. So here we go on making 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now we have reached our double crochet stitch. Now in that one single double crochet stitch we have made 3 double crochet stitches in each double crochet stitch. See, 1, 2 and 3. See, so we got so we have made 3 double crochet stitches in that one single double crochet stitch. And please place a marker in middle double crochet stitch now. Okay, middle or second number double crochet stitch, please place a marker. Then rest all stitches, it is going to be 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Only wherever we have made double crochet stitch, there we make 3 double crochet stitches in that one double crochet stitch, and rest all stitches 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So I'll just complete this second round and I'll show you. Please don't forget to place marker in every second double crochet stitch or middle double crochet stitch. Please place a marker on every middle double crochet stitch, okay, or second number, it's same, middle or second number double crochet stitch. And just a reminder, we are making all stitches in back loop of every stitch. Okay, we are using just back loop of every stitch to make all stitches. See, we are almost done with our second round. This is our last double crochet stitch where we are making 3 double crochet stitches. We will place a marker on second number or middle double crochet stitch. Okay, and now we join last and the first stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, see here. There we go. Now this was second round. Now from third round onwards, third and hereafter whatever rounds you are taking, how many number of rounds you are taking, before that just pull that free end yarn so your middle gap is like packed completely, it is closed completely, you get a complete solid square. Now for third round and every round after this, we will make 3 double crochet stitches in every middle or second number double crochet stitch where we placed marker. Okay, so in every middle or second number double crochet stitch of previous round we will make 3 double crochet stitches, and rest all stitches we are going to make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See here, I'll show you. Now see, we have reached our second number or middle double crochet stitch. Now in that stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches. See, we are done with 3 double crochet stitches. Again we will place a marker in the middle or second number double crochet stitch. So that is like common for all rounds now. You have to place marker on middle or second number double crochet stitch. Now for rest all stitches, even though it is a double crochet stitch, we will make a half double crochet stitch on it. Only the second number or middle double crochet stitch, we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, rest all stitches, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See here again we have reached that second. See this second number double crochet stitch, middle double crochet stitch. We will make 3 double crochet stitches on this one stitch itself. Here 1, 2. Please place marker on this second double crochet stitch or middle double crochet stitch. Here we are done, and now again we will go on making 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this round. Now this pattern which I have told you for third round, it is common for every next round you are making. It's going to be same. I'll just make some rounds and I'll show you. This is how it looks. I've completed some rounds. Okay, as I've made it only for tutorial purpose, so it's like I have made some 10 rounds, but you following same technique you can make it as bigger as you want. Okay, if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. If you have already subscribed Sanjs Aasha, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.